Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to a brand new upload. In this one, we have Alkaline, Jah Cure, and Kingston. So man, leave a like, subscribe, click that bell to be notified so you do not and will not miss a brand new upload. See me? Big up on yourself and make we jump right into this review.
England! We go catch them from this paper. Believe in our England! Yeah! Yes! Yes, sir! Yes! Yes! Yes, sir! We want to get done! Let it go! I travel. 31 man. You never do that yet. LA. When I say ding dong, you say ravers. Ding dong. Ravers. Ding dong. Ravers. When I say ding dong, you say ravers. Ding dong. Ding dong.
So Kingston get himself in some problem again, viewers and subscribers. A bit things are going for the entertainer from Wadi and it don't look good. So man, relax, I read an article to Uno and make you have a better understanding what the entertainer go through right now.
Kingston, let's go, hey!
So first, I have to say big up to the Tropics, viewers and subscribers. If you want any of the latest updates, you can go over on IG and search up the Tropics for the latest info. So this says, Kingston's legal troubles continue to mount. Now his own attorney wants out. According to the court documents, his lawyer has filed a motion to withdraw from the case, citing a breakdown in communication and revealing that Kingston may be indigent, meaning unable to afford legal fees. The motion comes aimed ongoing fraud and theft allegations tied to a raid on his Florida mansion in May, where both he and his mother were arrested. Kingston is currently out on bond and has pleaded not guilty to multiple felony charges, including grand theft and organized fraud. So the entertainer's attorney wants out of the case. Viewers and subscribers, them even say the entertainer is broke. A bit things are going for Kingston. Is this the downfall of Kingston that we all knew back then? Viewers and subscribers, leave on an honest take down below in the comment section. And as I said before, if you want the latest info, the latest news, go over on IG and search up the Tropics. So big up on yourself. Remember, subscribe if you reach this far. Make we continue. Reggae star Jah Cure faced a major courtroom setback last week in the Netherlands. During a hearing related to his attempted murder appeal, the court-appointed interpreter failed to appear, delaying the proceeding and leading the judge to remand him in custody until October 9. Jah Cure born Cicature Alkak remained in pre-trial detention in Amsterdam as Dutch prosecutors appeal his 2022 conviction. The case stems from an October 2021 incident where Jah Cure stabbed the concert promoter Ricardo Papa Blake during a dispute over unpaid performance fees. The court ruled that his action did not meet the standard for premeditation. Jah Cure's legal team has since filed an appeal against the attempted manslaughter conviction. Jah Cure is one of dancehall's reggae legend. You see me? The entertainer face a lot of problems right now. And since I was growing up, Jah Cure been in jail back and forth. And the fact that up till now Jah Cure still have problems with the law. It's just crazy right now, viewers and subscribers. But when you leave on a take in the comment section, when you think about all of this, just let me know when you think, you see me? Here man, the entertainer, I got through a lot right now. But it is all because of his actions back in October 2021. So just leave your thoughts in the comments, viewers and subscribers, and remember, if you reach this far, subscribe to the channel. So my officer big up to the Vendetta boss, Alkaline. The entertainer pull off another successful New Rules concert. Viewers and subscribers, the show sell off again. A back-to-back show sell off. Because I don't know, say the one in UK did sell off, and now this one in Canada completely sell off. So now the entertainer a look for bring new rules back to Jamaica in Trelawney. Only can look forward to that. The entertainer continuously just make waves in a dance hall. Viewers and subscribers, the entertainer I do it big, no joke. So as you can see on the screen, you have some comments. First one, downsize up with some art emoji. Another one, dancehall Bob Marley with 2 goat emoji. Another one, champion boy, goddamn boy. And you don't know, Sponge always a rep Alkaline, no joke, as you can see on the screen. He must send be emoji, a fire emoji, goat emoji, and a mask emoji. So I'm going to read a few more. Just make you see what the people them are say about the entertainer's performance and the new rules on a whole. The Giant with a mask emoji and a flame emoji. Great performance, my artist. And in another comment you can see some mask emoji with some black art. Alright, so the last comment. 70 plus song, 2+ hour set, non-stop, barely took water breaks, all hits. The bar has been set. Viewers and subscribers, big up the entertainer Alkaline. So leave a take down below in the comments. Remember, subscribe and leave a like. Big up on yourself like always, and catch you in another one.